Welcome to our house. Here we have our cute entryway. There was just a closet and we took it out and did some cute hooks and pictures with a little cute bench for your shoes. And we switched out the door to a really nice dark door with windows in it. And we have a little reading nook here. And we did a little built-in shelf with a bunch of little books and trinkets. And here is my favorite little mirror and table. And we will take these with us to our next house because they're so cute. Then you come into the living room and we have just some bigger chairs and our fireplace. What is that made of?
Stacked stone.
Stacked stone and some candles in there. It's a really pretty stone that sparkles. Then we have our amazing kitchen that looks like it is out of Pinterest. And I will miss this kitchen because it's so big. And we did all granite countertops. We repainted the cabinets white because they were like a light brown, ugly oak color. The countertops were actually a green leaf print, so we had to get rid of that. We put in a huge farmhouse sink, which I love. We did crown on the top of the cabinets, and we actually created an island. It used to just be this L right here, and we cut it, brought it over here, did the lights above, so it made the kitchen way bigger. Then we have our dining room with a huge table that seats 8 that Josh made. I wish we could take it, but we probably won't be able to fit this in our next house. So we might not bring that. And we did this really pretty light fixture. And then we have our pantry, which this used to be a laundry closet. So we put this really nice barn door that Josh made on here. And we made a walk-in pantry with a huge countertop for counter space, granite countertops, lots of storage and shelves for all the food.
You gonna show them what's in the fridge?
Yes, look at our dirty fridge. Then we come down the hallway. We'll go this way first. This is the cutest room in the house. This is baby Valen's room. Girly, boho-y, floral, pretty themed. And she has a ton of clothes in her closet. She has a ton of shoes. I think she has more shoes than me. All the cute, fluffy, furry things, cute pink things. Some cute shelves over here. This one we made. So here we have our main bathroom. We just did gray and white with a lighter wood floor. Before it had a just kind of ugly light brown vanity and ugly tile floor. So we wanted to switch it out, make it look just really nice and little pops of the green succulents everywhere. So now we have the boys' room. We did a light gray and a navy blue in here. We did this little deer antler?
That would be an elk.
Elk antler? I don't know, they're just animals. And then we did this cool bunk bed that has a slide. They loved having that to play on. I think it's really cute. And then just a mirror closet that is dirty. Forgot to clean it. Now we have the master bedroom, which is my favorite because it's just so pretty. We just redid the floors and got the finishing touches done, and I love it. So I love the light fixture we did. We used to have a fan and we switched it out to this really pretty one. We did different tones of wood for the headboard and just light gray on the wall and white furniture. We did another barn door here for the bathroom, just in white. And then this bathroom is my favorite. I'm gonna be really sad to not be able to take baths in here anymore because it's so pretty. I love the big window looking out to the yard. And we did this really pretty marble tile for the whole shower. Here's our master closet. We did a lot of built-in stuff and a big huge mirror. And a little area for my jewelry. So now we'll go downstairs to the basement. So now this is actually my favorite part of the house, my coffee bar.
How many times are you gonna say it's your favorite?
I don't know. This is where I make my coffee every morning. If you know me, you know I can't live without coffee. It's my favorite thing of life. So I needed a whole big bar for my coffee. I love this coffee machine. In our RV, I need to have like a special spot for it because it's part of the family. And we have all our cute coffee decor and syrups and mini fridge down here. All the stuff that you need for coffee. So this is not just a bookshelf, it's a door to a secret room. This is Brooklyn's room right now, but this would be perfect for an office. It's kind of what we made it for. Just a cute little bedroom. Then here's our big living room for downstairs. And this side is just a bunch of empty space. It's just been a bigger play area, or we've done a lot of like school, homeschooling stuff down here in this area. So here we have another bathroom and our laundry room. And in here, we stained the cabinets dark and just painted it a warm gray.
These are the crazies. These are the crazy kids that we have.
Stop, peeps.
Alright, so now this is our filming room. So behind this curtain is my little filming station, filming cube, whatever you want to call it, filming box. So we have a little cute background that we use for Brooklyn and Colton's videos and mine. So there's kids stuff and makeup stuff. And then this is where we sit and film with our lights and our little, that's where the camera goes, the iPad. So just our little filming area. So you guys, thanks for walking through our house with us. We just wanted to kind of do a video showing all the cool things that we did before we leave this house. Because it's been 5 years of fixing up and working on this house, and we finally have it all done and perfect, and now we are leaving. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.